Hi, is your dom being an insufferable prick? Try this. Doing as you're fucking told.
Don't ask questions you don't wanna know.
I realized that I want to suck him off. I would like to fuck this man. One word. Dreamy.
I am not an object. I have a voice and something to say. I am an object.
Children play over here and now. I remember you. The way endlessly hot snap is all around. I like to look over the sea, and now I remember you. Oops, my heart went.
I'm in danger! Yay! Cupcake power! Hey, cat! You're killing me!
Do you think that was good? Tell me I'm good. Tell me it was good. Tell me I'm good. Tell me I'm good.
You going to school to become a nurse. I thought you would want your business. I love it, I think that it's different.
Who's the man? You're the man. Strong, healthy, black man. Huh? Dun dun dun, bum up, dun dun. What you gonna eat? Dun dun dun, something healthy. Hell no!
Won't you shut the fuck up?
I want you to stop being mean to me and be nice.
Hey! You're talking to my guy all wrong. It's the wrong tone. Do it again, I'll stab you in the face with a soldering iron.
Stewie, no! Very bad!
What the hell was that?
A spanking. That was me spanking you.
That's it? Brian, you either gotta be that guy or not be that guy. I don't know what that was.
All right!
Ganbare, senpai! Ganbare, senpai!
Hora, gambare, gambare.
So you're this.
Yeah,
But you're also this.
yeah,
And you're this?
yeah.
I don't know the context of this, but I have a sneaking suspicion it's not in the name of Christ.
Put a finger down, brat edition. Put a finger down if when someone tells you not to do something, it makes you want to do it a lot more. Put a finger down if when you're at a party and one of your friends tries to get you to stop drinking, you say something along the lines of, "fuck you" or "you can't make me." Put a finger down if when people are yelling, you tend to find it funny and or start laughing. Put a finger down if you're the queen or king of rolling your eyes. Put a finger down if your form of flirting is roasting the person you like. Put a finger down if you're a huge tease. Put a finger down if you like to tease and pretend like you don't know exactly what you're doing. Put a finger down if someone has described you as feisty before. Put a finger down if you're quite argumentative. And lastly, put a finger down if you're a huge fucking brat.
I don't know the context of this, but I have a sneaking suspicion it's not in the name of Christ.